Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be turning my frontal wig into a U-part wig. Right now I'm just going to start off by cornrowing the back of my hair, and the front is just going to go into 2 braids. All of this is going to be sped up because it took me forever and my comb broke. Yes, it's the next day because I fell asleep. But these 2 braids are for my leave out, and these 2, I'm going to use those to sew my wig down. You're going to need a curved needle and some thread. Right now, I'm just finding my clips so that I can put my wig on and secure it. Make sure that it's very comfortable because you're gonna have this wig on for a while and you don't want it sticking you. I'm gonna stick these clips into the cornrows. It will stick in me right here, so like I said, make sure it's very comfortable. Now that we've did that, we can clip the hair back and get ready to sew it onto our head. Right here, I'm just making sure that my wig is lined up with my braids so that it will be easier to sew down. I will not be explaining how to sew the wig on because I'm not the best at it. I was struggling, as y'all can see. And this does not have to be perfect at all because no one's gonna see it. I love this method because it's very secure and you don't have to worry about your lace lifting or anything. It's just really, really natural. The last thing you want to do is just style your hair. I will be using water, leave-in conditioner, and just some hair milk to make it shine and moisturized. When I'm styling throughout the week, I don't add any extra product. I just put water. And when I add the water, it activates the product that I previously used. I will be doing the exact same thing to my real hair, except I'm just gonna twist it up after I style it. My hair is 100% dry now, and this is how it's looking. Cute, cute, cute. This isn't my exact curl pattern, but it's close enough. Who gonna be that close to me anyway? Nobody. I changed it to a side part, but this is the final outcome. I really love it. I hope you guys love it too. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.